Hello and welcome back to Kathy's Kitchen. So excited again because I have a challenge that I made for Pam and we're gonna go over that. And for all you Level Up people, you probably know that I, every holiday, every Christmas, make 400 to 500 Italian raviolis. And I have to tell you, they're not the healthiest, I have to be honest, because they're full of cheese, they're full of sausage, but they have spinach. It's not so bad. So I said, make something Italian for me that's healthy, right?
Yes.
So
the challenge is on.
Challenge is on. So what do you got here, Pam?
Okay, so this is not Yo Mama's ravioli, but it is a healthier version. So, again, like all of the recipes that we do on Kathy's Kitchen, these are ingredients that are on your Level Up meal plan. And most of the things that Kathy just mentioned in her raviolis are also on there. The piece that's not is the wrapping of the ravioli, right? That's a
flour.
Yeah, very high carbohydrate, wonderful thing to do on occasion. But for those of us, those of you out there on the Level Up plan, many of you have a weight loss goal. And so you're not going to get there eating pasta on a regular basis.
It does not fit in.
But you should not have to miss out on all the other goodies that belong in an Italian dish. So this is a great alternative. My family loves it. Super easy, simple to make. And there's just a few ingredients. So you have ground meat, which I'm going to talk about. We're using zucchini noodles as our wrapping, so I'm going to show you how to make those noodles. And spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce, and sprinkle some cheese on, and it goes in the oven. So really super simple.
Does sound easy.
Yeah, really easy.
Doesn't take all day like mine.
No. So let's get started.
All right.
The main ingredient of the ravioli is obviously the mixture that's going to go in the middle. In this case, I'm using a kind of a high-grade organic ground hamburger meat. I ground the meat on the stove. I put in some onion, a lot of Italian spices, garlic, and at the end I finish it off with a couple of tablespoons of ricotta cheese to just give it just a little tiny bit of a creamy feel to it.
Smells excellent.
Yeah, it's wonderful. It's lovely, and it's super easy to do and quick. And what I do on my prep and plan day is I may make a couple of different containers of filling using different ground meats, and then I freeze them. And I can then pull that out and heat it up at a different date to make raviolis another time. So there's a lot of versatility with this recipe. So I'm going to have Kathy try her hand at making the zucchini noodles, just to show you all. It might take a couple of times for you to get the knack of doing it, but it's really easy to do. So we use a cheese slicer.
Do I have enough?
Yeah.
I'm just making the one like this.
That's perfect.
Okay. There we go.
Perfect.
That was
all
easy.
right.
Okay. So what do I do?
So then we just lay out the noodles.
Okay, so am I crossing it
over? Just a little bit
over?
overlapping,
All right.
to make a little pocket, and then you put a little bit of meat.
A little bit of meat. So you got to show me how much this is, of course.
Yeah, just
Like that? A little more?
A little bit more.
So I'm guessing I roll this over?
Yeah.
Okay. To here? Or just right, keep rolling?
Nope. Well,
Oh, like
you
this?
know,
Like this?
You could do that, yes, and then bring the sides up.
Oh, and then it goes upside down.
Yeah, and then it goes upside down.
Okay, it is easy.
It's easy, and just upside down in the pan. And this is what it ends up looking like here. Next step is to put on your sauce. This is a particularly difficult jar. So I'm gonna use the back of this knife and just kind of tap the jar around the edges. If this is a trick you haven't used, you heard the middle pop up, and then makes it easy to get the lid off. All right, so we're just gonna, and I don't necessarily use the entire jar, it just depends. So I just cover the ravioli and then put the cheese on, and it goes in the oven. That's simple.
It looks
super really easy, simple, very tasty. And again, another one of those dishes that will last a couple of days with leftovers and tastes amazing. In the oven,
ready to put it in the oven.
This will go in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. Really, all of the ingredients are already cooked. What we're looking to do is soften up the zucchini noodles.
Okay, we just got this out of the oven. I'm very excited to taste it. It smells amazing. I brought in little Tony here, and he's going to be helping out with the little taste. So we'll let you sing in a little bit. Okay.
All right.
Ready?
So we're going to see how the Italian challenge goes down.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
I have to let you know that this goes on all my Italian food.
Makes it
you
so.
guys don't put red pepper on your stuff, and you can handle spice.
Does it make it so hot you can't taste anything?
I'll put it on my own bite. I'll taste it first without.
All right, we're going to give Kathy the first taste.
Okay,
We'll see
I get first taste.
see how this stacks up to Mama's raviolis here.
That is
Hot.
excellent.
Yeah, good.
Okay. He likes it. Very good.
Yay!
Very good. And way healthier than mine. This is excellent. Pam, thank you very much. Everybody should try to make this. It's amazing. Thank you guys. See you in the next episode.